Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rusty Surplus channel. Today this video is going to be about the cleanup of my #1 Mark III Enfield drill purpose rifle I got 4 months ago, last January, and I'm just now getting around to cleaning it up. It was way too cold back then, but now the cosmoline's starting to drip off of this thing, so it's a good time to take it apart, disassemble it, clean up. The first part, if you want to see that video on the first part, it's up here. But anyway, let's get with it, take it apart, kind of like before and after the greasy parts and the clean parts and everything. So let's get with it. And while I'm doing that, would you hit that like and subscribe? It helps the channel out, and thank you very much. We'll be right back. Okay, we've got it all taken apart here. All the parts look pretty good. They all came apart. All the parts are here. All the parts are here. The stock looks really good. A little hot soapy water and Dawn, and we'll see what that does for the stock. Even these little barrel, I don't know what you call them, harmonizers or something. Both of those were there. All the screws were there. The bolt came apart. Really nice. This screw to take out the extractor. That's the only one that I couldn't get yet, but to get that cleaned. The actual barreled action's really in good shape. Not that it'll ever shoot again, but you know, there's parts on there. The sight's in perfect condition. I saw a DP mark on a lot of these parts. Butt plate's good. Trigger, magazine, safety's all there. All the parts are there. Well, anyway, now for the fun part. Get them all cleaned up, get all that cosmoline off of there, get the parts boiled and re-oiled, and then we'll come back for the parts cleanup part. Here's the stock. I've left it out here in the sun. Out here on this old piece of plywood, but there's the barreled action. I'm getting ready to clean that up right now, but the stock is just bleeding cosmoline. Well, I got all the parts all cleaned up, got all that cosmoline off of there, got the stock all cleaned up, used some hot soapy water and Dawn. Stock's really in good shape. All the parts on it are in good shape, not really worn out at all. Anyway, the barreled action came out real nice, although it's never going to shoot again or anything. But anyway, let's get it all cleaned up and put back together and do a quick sign-off. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, and thanks for tuning in. Take 3. Well, we've got it all taken apart here. Damn rooster.